In many treaties, you're going to find Article 2(3), which is a general clause. Now, what this general clause does is, it tells you what are the taxes in each of the contracting states, right? So let's say when you're looking at India, UAE treaty, right? India may have certain forms of taxes. UAE may have some form of taxes. When I look at the treaty, right, which are the taxes which are covered insofar as India is concerned and insofar as UAE is concerned is something which is provided in this general clause. While in various countries this clause may be different, the general structure of this clause is something like this, which says the existing taxes. Now, please note the word existing over here. The existing taxes to which the convention shall apply are in particular in the state XYZ. In our case, XYZ stands here for UAE. And then you will have a whole list of taxes. In India, again, you will have a whole list of taxes. To understand this better, let us move on to the next slide. So if I look at Article 2 of the India-UAE Treaty, it says the existing taxes to which the agreement shall apply are, and this is some portion that we've just kind of moved out from here. In the UAE, income tax, corporation tax, and wealth tax, hereinafter referred to as the UAE taxes, right? In India, the income tax, including any surcharge thereon, the surtax, and the wealth tax, hereinafter referred to as Indian tax. What this means is, for the purpose of applicability of the treaty, these are the taxes which are covered in the DTAA from an India-UAE treaty perspective, which are levied in the United Arab Emirates. In India, it is these taxes which are applicable. Again, let's look at Article 2(3) of the India-Germany Treaty, right? It says the existing taxes to which this agreement shall apply are in particular, right? In the Federal Republic of Germany, the income tax, I'm not reading this German part here, right? The corporation tax, the capital tax, and the trade tax, right? In Germany, trade tax is levied based on certain forms of income, and therefore it is covered here. Hereinafter referred to as the German tax. In the Republic of India, the income tax, including any surcharge tax thereon, and the wealth tax, hereinafter referred to as the Indian tax. So whenever you are looking at whether or not a particular person is supposed to pay what kind of taxes, how much of taxes, and when claiming credit, for what all taxes would the credit be available, this is where you need to come in to find out what is covered as a tax as a part of the treaty. So what are some of the key features of this Article 2(3) that we were speaking about? It gives the list of taxes which are covered under the convention and imposed in each state. If we look at the India-US Treaty, it says the federal income tax imposed by the Internal Revenue Code plus insurance premium paid to foreign insurer and with respect to private foundation. When we looked at the Indian-German Treaty, it includes trade tax. And the reason I told you is that this trade tax has characteristics which are similar to income tax. It's based on income tax and not the sales turnover. India UAE, it says it applies only to the existing taxes. So these are some of the variations that you need to find out. Is there an additional tax to which this applies? If so, what is the reason? Second, does it apply only to existing taxes or to particular prospective taxes as well? Some treaty, like we said, it said it is only applicable to existing taxes. Some treaties we saw it is applicable only to taxes which are similar or identical, may be applied in future, right?